everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Wantable unboxing. I am so glad that you are spending some time with me today. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I sure hope that you will subscribe, tap that subscribe, and return for another video. And for all my returning subscribers, hello, you guys rock. Thank you for all your support. Let's get into this Wantable. This is a style subscription service offered by Wantable. I filled out a style profile. I have a stylist. She curates a box for me. Wantable does have a stream, what that is, it's a way that you can go in and look at their collections and you can heart items or you can decline items. I quit doing that a long time ago. I don't use the stream option at all because I want a professional stylist to send pieces that she thinks are going to look good on me. That's an option. So if you're one of those girls that wants a specific piece, you can actually request that with Wantable. Wantable sends 7 pieces. There's a $20 styling fee. There's a lot to know about Wantable, and I have put all of the information in the description box below. I have a referral link as well. If you use my referral link, Wantable offers me a little credit. I do have some credit on this box. Thank you very much to everyone that has used my link. My last Wantable box was wonderful, so I'm hoping this one is going to be just as amazing. Let's break into it. This is what my box looks like, and we have an envelope on the top of the box, and that has a note from my stylist, and it has an invoice. This is really a thick envelope. Oh, the return mailer. Postage is free with Wantable, so anything that doesn't work for me, I can just return in the postage paid envelope. Bundle time. Okay, here is my bundle. That looks pretty interesting. That looks excellent. And on the outside of my bundle was a piece of jewelry. I did request jewelry, but I haven't received any jewelry from Wantable in over a year. So this is what the jewelry looks like. So it's by Columbus. I'll try it on for you. We'll see what we think. Let's get into the good stuff. Okay, the stripes on the top. This is what it looks like. Oh no. This looks like a crop top, which is not my best look. But this one is by Guilt Trip. This is in a size medium. This is kind of a burgundy and white striped top. It is a tie front top, which I do like tie front if it's not too short. This looks to be a 3/4 length sleeved. It's a drop shoulder, and it feels like a cotton blend. The next piece we have is a gray cardigan. Oh, it looks like a dolman style cardigan. Let's see, I don't know. This is a heathered gray. This is the Wantable brand, which I'll tell you what that means. It means it's expensive. Wantable is very proud of their collection. I don't know, this feels like a polyester blend, so it feels nice, although it's lightweight. I don't know, no pockets? Do we have pockets? No pockets. I don't know, this one's not looking very promising. Oh, this is nice. It's a black blazer, and it's an open front black blazer, which I really don't need a black blazer. It has pockets. I just like black blazers. That's why I don't need one, because I have a lot already. Okay, what's going on? You guys see that back hem? And look at it from the front. Something's not right there. This blazer looks irregular, doesn't it? That's so strange. Maybe it's just from the folding. We'll try it on and see how it looks. The blazer is also a Wantable brand. The next thing we have is bright and cheerful. This is great. This is a V-neck twist tie top. This is a cotton top by Z Supply. It is kind of a pale yellow and white stripe, so I like my Z Supply. There's no pocket on this one. Yeah, this is really nice. It's probably about $40. I like my Z Supply t-shirts though. They wear really well. The $40 price tag is reasonable for Z Supply. Let's see how this looks on me. I don't know, I'm so fair, and to wear pastels isn't the best look for me, but I'll try it on. The next thing, I don't really get this. Okay, this is a pair of trousers by Meritage, and they are in a navy blue, and they are kind of like a sateen or brushed cotton kind of pants. They have the hidden pockets in the back, or what are those called? I don't know, because I really don't wear trousers. We have slash pockets in the front, which are a terrible look for me because I am so hippie. I don't really get why she sent me these. This does not look like my style at all, but it kind of matches the little striped top I'm wearing right now, but I don't know, trousers? And the last piece is this little top. And this is by Cut from the Cloth. Look at those sleeves. I kind of like the sleeves. It's got some pale colors in it, pink and teals and green and blues. This is really some very pretty colors. Now, this is a style I generally like to wear with a collar, and it has the like split neck there. This looks a little boho, which I don't know, the pattern sure is fun. It's very sheer. Can you see me? I can see you. So yeah, this would definitely have to go over a t-shirt, a tank, or a cami of some sort. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. I'm not really excited about it, but I'm gonna try it on. I tried everything on. I'm just now looking at the prices. We can chat about every piece. I'll show you all the clothes. I tried everything on. But first off, I want to share my request to my stylist. I said, budget-friendly box, please. I love the super soft Wantable sweater, but need a longer length if you can find it. I love bright, colorful, fun clothing. She answers by saying, hi, Kelly. There is truly no better feeling than having a wardrobe that makes you feel confident and excited to get dressed in the morning. I agree. I am so excited to help elevate your attire to the next level with these seasonal staples and new favorites. I was happy to include some fabulous, fun, and colorful pieces that are on the lower end of our pricing scale. I was not able to include a longer top that was similar to the one from last month's box, but I think you will love these pieces just as much. And then she talks about pairing the trousers with different tops and trying the cardigan and the blazer, wear it with a necklace. She's gonna elevate my style with these pieces, really. And the prices in this box are not inexpensive, not for my budget anyway. I'm starting to wonder if maybe Wantable is not the style box for me because, well, I'll show you the pieces and we can talk about them. Okay, the first piece out of the box was this Guilt Trip top. And this is in the really cute burgundy and white stripes. And just as I expected, it's a little bit short on me. Now, I was wearing a tank underneath, and I guess I could always wear it with a tank, but that's not the point of transitional pieces. I mean, when we're transitioning, we can wear layers if we want to, but I'm trying to get away from layering. And this is just too short to wear without something under it. What I do appreciate about this top is it is a faux button-up, so we have no gapping. This one is $48. I wouldn't buy it if it was $18 because it doesn't fit me correctly, but I think $48 is an inflated price for this top. The next piece is this gray cardigan by Wantable, $68. And I'm not sure how I feel about this style of cardigan. It feels like it has so little coverage in the front, and yet it has a really casual look to it. It's really soft. I like the color. And when I was looking at it in the monitor, I thought this would be great just to wear around the house. Now, the problem with this one is there's no pockets, and all of my cardigans that I wear around the house have pockets. So for $68, I'm not purchasing this. It has to be a really special cardigan for me to pay over $50 for a cardigan. Okay, the trousers. Now, the trousers are by Meritage. These are a straight leg trouser in navy. They're $88. They were surprisingly very, very comfortable. But let me tell you how I felt when I put them on. Do you remember the character in Saturday Night Live, Pat? That's how I felt in these. They do not make me feel feminine. They're comfortable, but so are sweatpants. I mean, I don't know. I I don't get it. I don't know why she sent these. I've never worn pants like these, not when I worked in an office, not at any time. And I do enjoy menswear inspired clothing, but not this kind, and especially not $88 for these. Next up is the blazer. This again is a Wantable brand. They want $89 for this polyester blazer. I kind of like it. It feels good on. I don't need another black blazer, but it's a polyester blazer, so there's a lot of movement in it. It will probably wear very well. The pockets are fake pockets. I thought they were real pockets, so not even pockets on this one. A funky lining, $89. Yeah, I can't do this one. It doesn't have a collar. And I think it's just kind of a nice look, a very casual looking blazer for $89, and I don't feel like it's nicely constructed. I have to send this one back too. Oh, this box is not going well. Next up is the Z Supply t-shirt. Wantable has gone up on their prices. This one is now $42. And maybe that's for the little twist tie in the front. Now, I like it. I like it just fine. I don't know. I guess I'm getting bothered by the prices and that little jab that I'm in the lowest price point, so I just get a bunch of ugly stuff as far as I'm concerned. I mean, I can keep it to save my styling fee. I really don't think it's the best color on me. If it was a little bit brighter like the yellow I'm wearing, I think it looks better on me because I am pale complected, but maybe this one. Let me show you the cut from the cloth. The final piece of clothing, and probably my favorite in the box, is the cut from the cloth top. It does have that boho feel to it. And again, we have the more pastel colors, which I don't know. What do you guys think? Me and pastels. I think I look better with brighter colors, but I do kind of like this. This is pretty thin fabric. It's a crepey fabric, and it's $68. Is that a normal price for a cut from the cloth top? I mean, I pay $68 for a cut from the cloth denim. I feel like I could find this at Nordstrom's Rack or TJ Maxx for less. I mean, I sound like a big cheapskate, but that's really how I'm feeling right now. What do you guys think about this one? Should I get this one with my styling fee? Next up is the necklace, and I didn't notice when I unboxed this that this is a double layer necklace. It has that one little tiny diamond sparkle stud on the top and then the X on the bottom. I think this one's very pretty. It's gold plated, it's sterling silver, it is cubic zirconia, it's $42. This might be the best bet to use for my styling fee. It does have a short extender on the back, but I actually like the length where it hits me on my neck. I think this is a lovely necklace. I don't know that I would pay $42 for it, but I'm not going to lose my styling fee, so maybe I will have a new necklace. I'm actually kind of surprised with this box because my last Wantable unboxing was really marvelous. I scored on some very contemporary and reasonably priced pieces. There's nothing in this box that I'm excited to purchase. I probably need chocolate right now, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait for your feedback. I have a few days before I have to return this box. With Wantable, it's 3 days. Okay, the total of this box is $443. The buy all discount is $88.60. Then subtract my styling fee and my store credits. I could have this entire box for $309.40. It really is time for chocolate. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up? I really need some encouragement right now. Thank you all for your support. I have another video for you in just a couple days. Please be on the lookout for that one. Until I see you again, blessings to all of you.